morning and welcome back to the channel. So right now we're in Walmart, gonna pick up some goodies, hopefully some stuff to grill later at the campsite. Yeah, we're heading out west to kind of like the Naples area, and I found some decent trails on the BFG OnTrail app. Yeah, so but first, Walmart. Let's go. All right, so we got some groceries, got some coffee. So just guess in the comments what you guys think that I'm gonna be making tonight. I'll give you a hint. It's just one meal, but everything was, you know, a little bit of produce, a little bit of meats. But yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, we're on a dirt road, basically, and another Jeep just came by. So yeah, dirt road, pretty much middle of nowhere. I think the closest thing around me is actually a small town called Everglades City. I could be wrong about that. But the reason why I bring this up is because I actually forgot to like go to a bank or ATM to take out cash. Some of these campgrounds that you stay at, or you know, public spaces, they do require cash, or you do like an online reservation, but I wouldn't want to risk that considering I've only had 1 or 2 bars just west, you know, just west of Miami. So yeah, currently looking up stuff, seeing what's the closest ATM that hopefully won't charge me an arm and a leg, and yeah, let's go from there. All right, we made it. We're alive. Might as well fill up a bit. Hopefully their ATM works. All right, so funny enough, I actually threw away some stuff at the gas station, as one would, right? And I accidentally dropped my AirPods in the trash. And so I was digging them out like a raccoon. Yeah, luckily I got them back and got a full tank of gas. We're about 46 minutes away. And I guess let's just get going. I don't know about you, but I'm honestly a sucker for dirt roads with some trees and basically nothing, like no clearings. And this is what we got here at Bear Island Campgrounds already. We haven't even made it to the campgrounds, obviously, but I mean, just look at this. pretty nice. Alright guys, we made it. We got camp, we already reserved it, and yeah. I think it's time we get the tent up. Pretty much all set up. Just gotta make sure the screens are tucked away. Don't want any bugs in here. But yeah, this is my new Free Spirit Recreation air mattress. I think it's called the Air 4. It's pretty cool is that they have like 2 plugs here that you could either let it just self-inflate, or you could put a air pump, and then once it's done inflating, you could just close it up. And it has like a valve on each side, so one of them will let air go in and the other one won't. So yeah. Roughly this is the setup. So yeah, if you look earlier, like where we were looking up an ATM just so we could have cash just in case we had to like pay the campground here. Which, by the way, it's actually, you go to is it reservation.gov or recreation? No, it's recreation.gov. You actually have to go online and pick out your camp spot and pay online. Luckily, it was just like $10.80. So yeah, 11 bucks, nothing too bad. And yeah, here's another look. There's no showers here. It's like primitive camping, but at least you do get a toilet, which is like, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's kind of that building all the way over there. It's not that bad actually. I guess I'm just so used to public bathrooms being kind of gross for the most part, but yeah, it was pretty good. So yeah. So if you guessed earlier in the video that I was making burgers, good job, because this is what we're doing right now. Now I know what you're thinking. That's a really tiny thing to make a burger on, but it's all I had. I actually left half of my cooking utensils at home. It is what it is. Luckily, you know, shout out to my girlfriend that actually got me that as like a stocking stuffer. So thank you, babe. You hooked it up this time. Where are my SpongeBob fans at? Because honestly, like, if you watch SpongeBob, this legit looks kind of like a Krabby Patty. But yeah. Yeah, now I'm just basically waiting for this stuff to kind of like cool down a little bit so I could clean it, especially the little pan. But again, thankfully my girlfriend came in clutch. But yeah, there's not much to it. Once I clean that up, I guess I'll probably set up the shower. I have a little portable heater shower combo from Geyser. Yeah, it's pretty good. I guess I should probably start that now. It does take like about 20 minutes depending on how cold the water is that you put in, but I'll tell you, it is a really nice shower. Gonna set that up, heat up the water, shower, and I guess I'll catch you guys after that. So yeah. There it is, just like that. Obviously with some editing magic, but yeah, I think it took like maybe 5 minutes to shower and then another 5 to dry. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty good, man. You can't even see it from here. Yeah, there it is. It's just basically blinking because it's saying that there's no water, but I mean, it is what it is. And it'll probably dry up in like another 5 minutes, and then I can just put it away. And yeah, so the big Geyser device basically just stores up on its own in a Apache quote-unquote Pelican case. And yeah, that just basically sits in the back of the Jeep, and there you have it. So now I did make quite a hefty early dinner, late lunch with the 2 burgers, so I'm not really that hungry, but I might start putting stuff away just so I could be ready tomorrow morning, so I don't really have to do much besides put the tent away and whatever else I have up in the tent. Luckily it is starting to cool down a bit, because man, it was like 91 degrees. I don't even know what the feels like it was, but both in the car and on my phone it was saying like 91. So luckily the breeze and I guess like the afternoon it started to cool down a bit. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna start cleaning up the rest of the Jeep. Probably get some water. You can see it's already like charging some of my devices like my iPhone and whatnot. So yeah, if I don't really do anything else, I'll see you guys in the morning. But besides that, yeah, see you tomorrow.